Are you doubting that he is having an affair elsewhere? Finding a relationship built on nothing but just trust is really hard these days. Too often, we see someone or the other in a relationship is cheating. Human psychology keeps on changing, and you never know when a person whom you love so much is fooling you around. Time flies, and relationships keeps on changing along with it. Well, if your man has been cheating on you, how would you know that? I have seen women falling weak just because she has been loving her man so dearly. Obviously, you should trust the other person in the relationship, but consequently, make sure that you are not trusting him blindly. Be wise enough to make out when he is lying to you and is then going on repeating it over and over again. In case you are having a bit of doubt about him, here's how you would become sure of it. In this video, I am going to talk about 7 signs to know if he is cheating on you. In case you see him doing any of these mentioned things, it's time that you should introspect into the matter. Before I begin with the video, do you want to attract the man of your dreams like a magnet and make him treat you like his princess? I can promise you that he will not even think of cheating on you even in his dreams. If your answer is yes, then grab the secret ebook which discloses the secrets of becoming a high value woman and making him treat you like a goddess. Download the ebook for free right now as it will cost $49 after some time. The link is in the description below. Number 1. He has become sneaky about his phone all of a sudden. If you see him becoming over obsessed about his phone, be it on call or over social media, this could be a red flag for your relationship. It might be about work too at times. However, in case you find that every time you ask him about what he is doing on his phone and he starts shouting at you, this is certainly a major concern. Other than work, most men do not usually go on surfing the whole internet just to find the right pair of shoes or a handbag. So, what is he actually doing with it? This situation definitely needs an investigation. The best way to make him talk about is to ask his phone. Try doing it, and if he is doing something wrong, he is bound to burst upon you. Number 2, he is yelling at you for just silly reasons. There's no reason for you to feel guilty about it. Trust me, you could have been wrong at times, but you can never be wrong all the time. If you see him yelling at you for just silly reasons, it's time that you should be standing up for yourself. It's okay that you love him, but you should never tolerate his wrong deeds. Never allow him to play with your self respect. You could have done a mistake, but there's always a way to make him understand where you went wrong. If you find that your boyfriend is too clingy on you for small things and thus creating a full episode and drama out of it, it's definitely an alarm for you. It might be the case that he has found someone better than you. Yeah, psychology says that you start liking everything in a person when you love him. So, if he's not finding anything good in you, it's only because he is not interested in you anymore. Would you expect him to come up to you and say that directly? Certainly, he won't. You will just have to realize it that way. Number 3, he has become too conscious about his looks. Out of nowhere, you see your boyfriend spending a lot of time before the mirror, and this is surely a reason for you to think about it. Ask him, and you will see that he is ignoring you like hell. All these things represent that his mind might be deviating somewhere else. Did your guy join a gym recently? Is he too bothered about losing weight? Well, chances are there that he might not be thinking of ways to impress you any further. Make sure that you figure out whether or not he has found someone else anytime sooner. A man does become extra conscious about his appearance only when he is trying to catch someone's attention towards him. It could be his boss as well. However, if you see him doing it for a really long span, it's time when you start thinking of it a bit more. Number 4, he doesn't want to be intimate with you anymore. If he is loyal by nature and cheating is something new for him, he might feel it to be wrong in being intimate with you. You will start feeling that he doesn't wish to be affectionate to you any further. Also, a person engaged in infidelity will obviously find it uncomfortable to be intimate with you. Nonetheless, you might even get a hint of his sexual appetite changing and he doesn't want to have sex with you anymore, for he might be having enough of it somewhere else. Number 5. His behavior towards you has changed. Is he not behaving that way with you anymore? Men do have a lot of pressure at work and they might have a bad day at the office. He could shout at you for a day, but that definitely cannot happen every single day. If you see that his behavior has changed so drastically that he is not even willing to have a word with you and you have been tolerating it for months, now it's time when you should dig deep into the issue and find out what's going wrong. As per psychology, a person's behaviors towards you is bound to change if he is no longer in love with you or has probably found someone better than you. The best idea I would recommend you is to sit and have a discussion. In case he doesn't even want to talk to you, know that he is avoiding you and thus be sure that he is cheating on you. Number 6. He has become too busy these days. Investigate if he is actually that busy or is he just making excuses before you. If he is traveling too frequently or if he is spending late nights suddenly, it could be a cause of concern for you. If he has switched his job or maybe has been promoted to a new role, there's nothing to worry about. However, if you find him lying to you for just no reason, there's a big mess for sure. Does he seem to be spending more time elsewhere beyond his working hours? Girl, I would rather suggest you go and check out if a new woman has joined his office recently. I would also say that you would know him better. If he didn't used to spend happy hours with his colleagues before and has started doing so recently, chances are that he might be trying to know someone at a personal level. Check out if he has shifted his interest from you to some other lady. Number 7. You are able to feel it under your gut. Other than the fact that you have a suspicious mind, if you have started doubting him too much, do not just ignore your instincts and hide things under the rug. There might be some or the other reason for which you have been anxious about him, isn't it? It's great that you trust him, but make sure that he is not taking undue advantage of it, for men can do it too often. Trust is considered to be the most critical component in any relationship. It is certainly the most ultimate form of betrayal that you can ever receive from your partner. If there's no trust, there's no point in staying into that relationship. You might have had built a lot of dreams together. However, if you find your partner cheating on you, all those dreams will fall apart in just a flick of a second. Also, if you want to discover a secret technique that makes any man treat you like a goddess and makes him completely obsessed with you, grab access to my free book from the link in the description box below. It discloses some of the secrets of love and obsession that you would not have heard anywhere else. It's free only for a limited period of time, so go and grab it till it's free. Please subscribe to the channel University of Obsession for more videos on relationship and dating advice. Like and share it with your friends if this video helped you by any means. See you in the next video. Take care.